Keep this advice in mind for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can really be an intelligent business move in the online world. It does require a lot of effort to work though. This can make you wonder where to begin to start increasing your profits. Don't worry, everything you need to know about where to start with affiliate marketing is listed in the tips below. Make sure you have a strategy before you get into affiliate marketing. You want to prepare a plan of what types of products you want to have available and how you are going to attract attention to your webpage. You can't expect to just make a webpage and that people will just find it. Plan things out and it should help with bringing people to your webpage. To make sure you are paid for every sale that you make, ask about how the affiliate marketing program you join is going to keep track of your work. Make sure the program you join tracks where the visitor that bought something came from through cookies, and that they count mail or phone orders as well as online ones. Affiliate marketing opens the door for many people who are looking to start a home-based business. As long as you have the technical know-how, this is an ideal opportunity to make a living or supplement your income, depending on how much time you want to invest in the undertaking. Setting up a website promoting the products you are trying to sell is the first step, but don't stop there. Take advantage of email, blog forums, social networking sites and chat rooms to reach as wide an audience as possible. Write videos about the products, and post them on your own website to increase your traffic. Join one or many affiliate programs. One of the benefits from working at home is that it gives you the flexibility to choose your own hours. With some dedication and commitment, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to turn that spare room into an office. So, as you have seen, it is true that affiliate marketing requires research, work, and effort to start bringing in the profits. It is also true that in order to see results that you have to keep at it. Keeping the aforementioned tips in mind, you are well on your way to being successful with it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.